Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we're going to have another little discussion about the May 2020 update and its rollout. So we'll explain a few things that a lot of people kind of don't really understand and grasp the consequence and the why of it happening. So first of all, a lot of people, once again, they go to their Windows updates and they say that they don't see anything. So they go to their update in security, they click check for update. And what happens is that they either have a message that says the machine is not compatible and or nothing. And they are still on an older version of Windows 10 and they wonder why. Remember that even if it doesn't say that your machine is not compatible, even if it doesn't have that message that I talked about that some people actually see, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that it's not seeing it or anything. It just means it's not there for you yet. And that's it. Also, if you have the message and you have a really brand new laptop, and this is one of the comments I hear the most, is, well, I got the new laptop with all the latest hardware. Well, you'll be surprised to know that often the latest hardware of all is the one that is often not supported yet for a lot of things, including new versions of Windows. Because it's not the fact that it's new hardware that Windows should see it. Actually, new hardware, often Windows still doesn't have all that is required to have it running on their new versions of Windows. And they're waiting for the manufacturer of the PC to actually issue these updates. The amount of PCs out there that don't update because the manufacturer still hasn't done his job at updating drivers and software is the majority of the reason why you're not getting it. And not because of Windows itself. That's the first thing you need to know. The other thing is Microsoft's rollout of the update for the version of Windows 10 2004 is not sending it to everybody. They are slowly sending it. What that means is you might see it, but if you don't see it, it might just be that at the speed of rollout that they're going, they're not, your computer doesn't see it yet. It's not available for you yet. So that is another reason why you might not see it, because Microsoft isn't rolling it at the same speed everywhere for everybody everywhere. It's not working like that. Now, one of the things also that is the reason for this is we see little problems here and there, not big issues. I mean, we're going to talk today about some of the problems that have popped up that are people are complaining about, but they are few and far apart. The majority of people that roll to the new version actually have it going very well. There's a little subset of people that, a little background noise of little problems here and there and things. And we're going to talk about some of them today in a couple of videos. Remember that if you don't see it, you don't see it. And, I find it kind of interesting to see how some people are almost offended at the fact that they don't have it and that their PC is brand new and they should see it. It doesn't matter. Honestly, I say it all the time. It really doesn't matter. And I do not, I say it again. There's a lot of websites that say, hey, you got to take this. No, you'll have it when you'll have it. And if you are seeing it but don't want to have it now, you don't have to. It's optional. You got to click that download and install for it to actually really install. Now, some people say, well, I didn't have a download and install. It just installed. Well, you probably were at a version of Windows that was out of support soon. If you're on 1809, you probably are getting it without you wanting to get it. And the reason why is that already 1809 should have been out of updates of support. But they have extended for a few months because of the COVID-19 situation. But if you're on 1809, there's a good chance that you're actually being pushed to version 2004 because you have to be pushed to a version of Windows that is supported. And that version right now is the version 2004. A lot of people asking me, why don't I see that new start menu that I've seen everywhere and that you've shown on your computer and so on? It's very simple. This version of Windows does not contain these changes. This version of Windows is still with the majority of what is Windows 10 right now, with just a few little extras here and there and little changes here and there. Nothing more. It's very, very simple. The changes to the start menu, if they happen, because that's also something that you need to know, if they happen, will happen next year when we get to version 21H1. 21H1 is the first version that will pop out early in 2021. Now, that one might have a revamped and changed start menu, but we're not really sure exactly as to what will be in there or not. And it's a year off, and Microsoft has its reputation of changing its mind all the time, so we don't really know exactly if that's going to go through or not, if that new start menu is going to be there or not. But there's some interesting news that is kind of letting us know that some changes are coming, and that's going to be interesting to look at next year. For the rest, the rollout still continuing, and like I say, the majority of people that go through the regular process of going to settings and going into update and security and checking for updates are and that have the version 2004 show up are okay. That means that Microsoft deems your PC pretty safe to upgrade. So that is something that you need to know. You can, of course, once again, force it with the media creation tool if you really want to. And once again, I don't recommend that. It's interesting because I get these requests all the time. Should I install it or not? It's like the insider program. When somebody tells me, should I be an insider? You're already answering the question. If you are wondering if you should do it or not, don't do it. It's as simple as that. This is, the reason why. When you are hesitant, when you don't know if you should do it, you already are kind of proving that you're scared and you don't know what to do if some problem happens. So don't do it. That's all, just wait for it. Someday you'll have a version that's going to upgrade your PC, and that's it. It's not anything urgent at all. And it doesn't give you capabilities that are so advanced that you really need to have it. That's very important. You got a working PC, working fine, it's perfect. And last but not least, a lot of people asking it, if you check your Windows version by going to WinVer, you should be, and this is as of today, Monday, June 15th, 2020, we are at 19041.329. This is the version you should be at if you're at version 2004. Build number should be 19041.329. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.